Why does every wave obey this equation? V equals F lambda. At first glance, it looks like a mysterious formula, but it's actually nothing more than counting how far a wave travels every second. Imagine watching a wave from one fixed position. You don't need to follow the wave. Just count how many crests pass you each second. That's called the frequency. Now notice something else. Every crest is evenly spaced. The distance from one crest to the next is called the wavelength. Let's call this distance lambda. Every time one new crest reaches our observer, the wave has moved forward by exactly one wavelength. Now put the two ideas together. Suppose 3 crests pass our observer every second. That means the frequency is 3 Hz, and each crest is 1 wavelength apart. So every passing crest means the wave has moved forward by 1 more wavelength. In 1 second, 3 crests pass, so the wave travels 3 wavelengths. In general, nothing mysterious happened. We simply counted how many wavelengths pass each second. That's exactly what wave speed is. V equals F lambda.